is you are putting yourself out there in 24 times in a year on YouTube. Sometimes she will do some funny things and her husband will react to it. Just because you are a great person, you've accomplished so many things in your life, does not mean that you know it all. If I were to start a YouTube channel from scratch in 2025, this is how I will go about it. Before we get started, I want you guys to know that I have tried out 11 niches, from cooking niche to vlog niche to dancing niche to make money niche to AI niche to reaction videos to touring luxurious apartments to teaching YouTubers how to make money online to teaching YouTubers how to get started from scratch. I have tried lots of niches, and if I want to start from scratch, this is how I will go about it. I also want you guys to know that once you indulge in my content, there is no giving up. You are not giving up on the street of YouTube, because you are not going to waste your time. You are not going to waste my time. So if you are ready to get this YouTube money, let us get started. I am going to be explaining to you guys 4 things that I will do if I want to start a YouTube channel from scratch in 2025. Now, the first one is I will post quantity over quality content. Let's say I am starting a YouTube channel now in 2025 today. Instead of, trying to perfect my craft, I will not do that. I am going to focus my energy on posting quantity, because posting in quantity will allow me to experiment. It will give me opportunities. Let's say, for example, you are someone that used to post maybe once in a month, or maybe let's say twice in a month. If you post twice in a month, that is 8 times in a month. That is 24 times in a year that you are posting on YouTube on long form content. Okay, that is, you are putting yourself out there in 24 times in a year on YouTube to get opportunities from YouTube. But if you are someone that you used to post twice a week, 3 times a week, if you calculate it, you will see the difference. That means that you are posting up to 160 videos. You are putting yourself out there 100 or 60 or 80 multiple times to get opportunities. And there's this saying that your least expected content is the one that can change everything for you on YouTube street. So if I start YouTube today, I am going to be putting out lots of content out there. I will see where I fail. I will see where I need to improve. When I started this YouTube channel, I post long form content 5 times every week. Now I know what works for me. I know the keyword that works for me. I know the tags. I know the title. I know my area of expertise. I know what YouTube algorithm identify me as. Why? Because I experiment. I did not hide myself. I put myself out there. I post a lot of content. So if I'm starting a YouTube channel from scratch today, I am going to post as much content as I can possibly put out there. When I start getting experience, when I start building my expertise on YouTube, then I can focus on providing solid quality content for my viewers. But when I'm first starting out, I am going to allow myself to mess up. I am going to allow myself to fail. I am going to experiment. Then I will pick myself up and I will be stronger than ever. The second thing I am going to be doing if I want to start a YouTube channel from scratch in 2025 is to find a mentor, find a channel that works for me, but I will not overindulge. There's this saying that goes, the lesser the more. That is, the less you know, the more you know. The more you know, the less you know. When you come on YouTube, going from one channel to another, you will mix everything up, because people are different. People that teach on YouTube are different. People that create content on YouTube are different. You are different. Just find someone or 2 people that works for you, that you can consume their content, that you want to take inspiration from, that you can consume their content and indulge only in their content. Don't be everywhere. Not every content will work for you. Not every teaching will work for you. Just because this person teaches so perfectly does not mean that you should take advice from them. I have 2 mentors on YouTube, but one of them is Dave Nick. Ever since I started Rookie Rich, he has always been my #1 mentor. Okay, I don't try to go from year to year, because when you overindulge, you will be filled up with so much information, you will not know what to do with that information. So if I'm starting the channel from scratch today, I will not overindulge in different contents. I will just choose people that I really resonate with their content and make them my mentor. Okay, if I was to start a YouTube channel in 2025 right now, the third thing I will do is to monetize my authenticity. Who I am. Rookie Rich, who are you as a person? What can you do and do for free? What can you say? How can you talk? What do you enjoy? Look at creators that are doing this already. Look at Christy Sarah and her husband. She does reaction videos. She does funny content. Sometimes she will do some funny things and her husband will react to it. That is what works for them. That is who they are. They did what? They monetize their authenticity. Look at DoorDash. Look at the way she does when she comes on YouTube. She's a happy soul. She's a joyful soul. That is who she is as a human. And people love her for it. And she's monetizing her content just by being authentic. I know that you might love lots of creators, you might love the way lots of people act on YouTube. Who you are as a person, I want you to monetize it. That is what will pay you all the long run. And when you see that one of your content is doing well based on you positioning yourself, based on you being authentic, then you want to repeat that content again. Okay? If it works for you once, it is going to work again. I have seen lots of small YouTubers that if they post a content and they feel vulnerable, they're authentic, they feel raw, they feel vulnerable, they feel like people are seeing who they are, that content might actually do well, then they will run away from it. They will not post that particular content again. They want to go back to a more subtle, they want to go back to a more hidden version of themselves. If one thing works for you, it is going to keep on trying it till it stops working for you. If any content you put out there is getting tractions, that is what works for you. Keep pushing. Now, the last thing I will do if I were to start a YouTube channel in 2025 is to act like a fool to gain knowledge. Okay? Let's say, for example, you are the president of United States and you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't even have any idea how to go about that. Just because you are a great person, you've accomplished so many things in your life, does not mean that you know it all. So the best way to gain knowledge is to act like a fool. That is when you will gain knowledge. Lots of people want to start YouTube channel, but they don't love to listen. They don't love to listen to what other people has to say. Okay, if you want to start something, you have to act like a fool. You have to be humble. You have to be meek. That is when you will gain knowledge from it. Okay, I have a friend that was learning how to revamp wig one time, and she's in her late 20s, and her boss is just 18-year-old lady. Just because her boss is almost a decade younger than her does not mean that she will start, be like, okay, I am older than you. That means that I am not going to listen to you. If I were to start a YouTube channel from scratch in 2025, I am going to act like a fool in order for me to get knowledge that I want. At the end of the day, it is not about the person that is giving me that knowledge. It is about me. I am the one that wants to make money from this YouTube. So I'm going to act like a fool. I am going to get my knowledge and I'm going to start implementing, start doing my thing, get monetized, start making money and change my life for better. So yeah, these are the 4 steps that I will follow if I were to start a YouTube channel in 2025. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below. I am always in my comment section, and I also coach new YouTubers how to get monetized, how to start a YouTube channel from scratch and start earning passive income from it. I wish you guys good luck, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.